Hello, in this video I'd like to show how tangential knife control implemented in myCNC software. If tangential knife control enabled, CNC software automatically control C-axis and rotate knife according motion direction. If angle between two lines more than given minimal angle, CNC control automatically add the lift up knife rotation according to next motion direction and then lift and then move down. Settings for tangential knife control can be found in configuration, technology and tangential knife. Here we can enable knife, set minimal angle to lift knife up and down, lift up distance, programming of lift up distance absolute or incremental, and initial angle knife after homing procedure. Tangential knife control can be enabled as well from main screen by pressing button, for example button T2 or button T3 for knife or for wheel will enable tangential knife control, and switching to spindle or to marker will disable tangential knife control. Also, tangential knife control can be enabled or disabled from G-code or macros or PLC procedure. So it's possible to have in one G-code several parts for spindle cutting, for knife cutting, or for marking, for example. We have here simple program for shapes. If we turn on spindle control by pressing button T1, and now I start G-code, and we see that it runs according to program, and program contains only XY motion and Z for lift up and down spindle. I will stop running, and now I try to switch to knife. Press button T2. Just reload G-code. And start running. You can see that now current pointer follow motion direction, and C axis is changing. To follow cutting the direction. It moves up, down, rotate knife. Everything is made automatically, so no need to prepare special G-code, just normal 2-axis G-code or 3-axis G-code. Okay, I will stop running. And now I'd like to show how HPGL and DXF import works for tangential knife. I have a nice example to show options we have for tangential knife control. Yes, this one. We have here three parts, three shapes, and each shape is drawn in separate layer, separate DXF layer. So I can enable or disable external part, external square, arc, or ellipse. And I can assign for each layer tool for work. For example, for internal ellipse, I assign cutting with spindle T1. For circle and external square, I will assign knife and tool number T2. Let's see what we have. So if I start running this program, I see no tangential control for internal ellipse and the tangential control for circle and for external square. Done. Or let's try another choice. For example, for internal ellipse will be knife, for circle knife again, and for external square will be multipass cutting. So tool T2, T2, T1, and for multipass cutting we will make, for example, material thickness 20 millimeters and 5 millimeters each cut. So there will be four passes. Let's see how. Yes. So we have tangential control for ellipse and for circle, and no tangential control, just for passes for external square. Let's see. Tangential control. Again, tangential control. And code is M662, M61 automatically insert into the code. So by writing correct macros for tool change, it's possible to handle switching heads, apply offsets between cutting head, between knife or creasing wheel or something like this. So everything is supported in software. In this profile we have also video camera support. So it's possible to use video camera for a line or for just watching what happens around tool. Okay, all done. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.